It seems as if we've been talking about the Apple Wallet application more and more these days, and for good reason. I still think it's one of Apple's most underrated applications in their entire ecosystem because of all the benefits it brings, and we just got news that there's one more reason why it's actually the best application out there. Let's talk about it. Alright, so the big news here is that Apple has added a new state for their driver's license support in the Apple Wallet. So in order to see which one it is, go into your Apple Wallet and be sure to be on 26.5 and newer in order to get this done correctly. But if you go into the plus sign right here, you can see that we do have the ability to add our driver's license and ID cards. If you guys haven't seen yet, I highly recommend checking out my digital ID video on how to add your digital ID because that was something that I did for the first time, which is going to be right here. Highly recommend checking that out. But the newest state is going to be Arkansas. So if you tap into Arkansas, you can add your driver's license to your Apple Wallet on your iPhone as well as on your Apple Watch. And again, the state of Arkansas did state that ID in Apple Wallet does not replace your physical driver's license or identification card, and you must continue to carry your physical card. ID in the Apple Wallet is voluntary and serves as an easy, private, and secure companion to your physical plastic driver's license / identification card. So again, technically it's not a full replacement, but let me know in the comment down below if you guys have added your Apple Wallet or your driver's license to your Apple Wallet and what that has entailed. But again, Arkansas is now added to the list of about 15 states. As you can see, we're all the way from Arizona to West Virginia. My state is New Jersey. Unfortunately, we do not have this available, and I don't see it being available for a little while. So, count your blessings if you're able to use it. And like I said, curious to know if people have used it in real life and what those use cases have been. But you can now add Arkansas driver's licenses to your Apple Wallet. And as you can see here, I have my digital ID. And if you guys are into the credit card game and use your Apple Wallet a lot, I do highly recommend checking out CardPointers if you guys do want to make sure you're maximizing your credit card spend. I'll leave them linked down below. I believe they're half off right now for a Memorial Day sale, but let's finish up the video. So that'll wrap up this video, everybody. As you saw, it's always great to see more IDs and state IDs and driver's license be supported by Apple Wallet. I'm somebody who wants to be able to add their driver's license into the Apple Wallet, and unfortunately, I'm in New Jersey. It seems like New Jersey is going to be one of those long holdouts that'll probably be one of the last few states to do it, but like I said, good news that Arkansas is now added to the list of about 15 states here in the US that does support the digital driver's license. But let me know in the comment down below what state you're in. Do you guys use the digital ID? Do you use the digital driver's license? And have you used it in a real world scenario? Have you been pulled over before and had to use a driver's license? Have you been able to show your driver's license to somebody digitally in another situation? Always curious to know people's thoughts and their use cases specifically because, of course, everybody always says keep your actual physical driver's license as a failsafe in your back pocket just in case. And I wonder when we're going to get to the point where that's not going to matter anymore. But let me know in the comment down below if you made it to the end. Leave a dolphin. Got some more videos coming. Check out CardPointers. Get subscribed. We're almost at 1 million. Peace, everybody.